Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to add a new product to your product line and expand your current brand with our liquid soap base. We are using our ready-to-use liquid soap base to create high-quality hand soaps that you can customize with your own fragrance. And the best part? It's made in Canada. It's enriched with aloe, chamomile, and green tea extracts. It provides a gentle cleanse that leaves hands feeling soft and refreshed. Perfect for everyday use and a great addition to any bath and body collection. This liquid soap base comes pre-mixed and is odorless, which only requires a fragrance oil to customize it. As always with candles and room sprays, we suggest batch testing a small amount of body lotion before moving on to large quantities to ensure your desired results. Time to get your scale. Weigh out your desired amount of base. Time to add your fragrance oil. Based on the IFRA chart, we know the max amount of fragrance oil is 0.8%. Gently stir your mixture until it's fully blended, and that's it. Now just pour your liquid soap into its container and let it settle to get the best consistency out of it. Always make sure to reference the IFRA sheet for exact percentages when mixing in fragrance oils just to be safe. And keep in mind that this indicates the max amount of percentage. If you find the scent to be too strong, you can always use less, but never go over. What better way to expand your brand than adding some new bath and body products? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.